fanzi, kukakamiza, nkhani, pretending like we having fun with ngini, isakuyenda. I'm terrible as a friend. I never check on my neighbors, Zilingati, padzikopa, Mleeeke, Nyimbo, kumandivuta, kulemba, Kukhala, ndinasuluka, matsenga. I'm saying that it's strange that I'm seen as the same. Why y'all comparing me to my Member Onsewa, Palibe, wamaso, mphenya. Or maybe I'm the one with a lack of vision. Sinanga, ndumangokhala, victim. Ndimapanga, ZAnga. Isakuyenda, anything to oppose the system. Kupanga, Palibe, ZAnga. Kukhala, part of a victim, but even that is a victim of realism. I'd have fallen out with the other one that I had. I think I tried to see it when Kuzanga, all the guys in my phone, when you're deny that we're no longer close to homies. This time I'm the one that's been holding on to this forgotten song. I'm only strong as long as homies know it's on me to uphold the memories of niggas I used to consider my bros, but not anymore. Cause now I'm exhausted. Everywhere I go for song and the phone say go to the moment next to lose it. Is it alright if I'm not? Is it a crime if I do what I want when I want? Whether you may like it or not, you likely forgot who I was before go test and drown. What I value most was my motive. My process most and the honest and the legion. The old me was not even close to the remotely concept with what you niggas don't be as I almost speak. So it's partly your fault, G's. Maybe start wanting to do more to please, or you lost sheep, then I lost me. Don't sanga ule wala mosia na sema silila nigga sampana utoto wangu tiwitana sema fika kwa siwe nzanga sifiana sikufana of course sina sanga zora ntonsa zikunyoza no those who are because I so I thought that's one cause of our troubles. We failed to solve and resolve it. I always saw it as a weight on your conscience. It wasn't my fault, hope you noticed. Cause I felt to enjoy mtakamandibova when I won yours and take on us and look nazo hater. I regret I was great, I know debate, but I know this you trying to get better. My nigga, I couldn't oppose this. Two niggas with two different choices, and I chose this path to let you have your shine while sacrificing mine, cause I know what you wanted. Let's not get this, get acknowledged and go make you so celeb about it. Niggas know you exist, fill up your head, everybody's career. There's no denying you work hard for it. Don't know exactly what you did. You probably take chose and no click on kukakamiza. Plus you did make hits on your own without me, despite the shit that niggas speak. I'm genuinely proud of it. You the man, you the shit. Plus they won't really lie. Consider this a lyrical bouquet. Sending a good not even a day. What do these niggas think I wanna be in the picture? We never got something to say. These days from back in the day. How would I'm bitter or hate that I didn't make it all the way? How would I'm jealous of all your achievements? I wish it was different with me on the stages. I'm famous with pages, celebrity status, a gathering meetups, a symbol in hip hop. I show every weekend. It doesn't help that you don't speak to these niggas who matters concerning a split up. Come on, I so fun of rap and come. I never will now mong wang kaparia ko and pop korea. Financial money nyasa wala zindi fusa ngaruda kali Zanga. Zipina zona zobulo tada diwon sanga Sinanga. Kudu banyo so banga komenti ba Zanga. Wanda zo kudu dige bene simani laba. Dila ndiga nkaulo wanda da pya dim dinada. Siya mundita. Dila sirmaga mbila na namba na muna ndimakaga. Mina tizama chila monga moja mina dinkaji. Dila kagani zido kanto sindi. Dila kanto sandi. Diwa. Osadada. Mundi tiwa. Saya sido ndimapanga wala ndimapanga. Isi super uzigamba mu nyimbo roma. Nkhani yani. Chanji mbili. Aya usadada riforoza bana. Zayamba. Wayamba. Mleeeke nzako. You niggas should leave me alone, bro. Like, mzungundisia bari basi nizibanga zanga eneo basi nizibanga zanga.